Hi friends, myself Bhavan Jha from Biology Guru. Today I have these topics from Class 12th Biology. These are very crucial for board as well as all pre-medical exams. Today's topics for discussion are packaging of DNA helix from chapter 6 and phosphorus cycle from chapter 14. First one is packaging of DNA helix from chapter 6, that is molecular basis of inheritance. The length of DNA double helix in a typical mammalian cell is approx 2.2 meter, whereas the length of Escherichia coli DNA is about 1.36 millimeter. In prokaryotes like Escherichia coli, since the nuclear membrane is absent, still the DNA is not scattered throughout the cell. Negatively charged DNA is held with some positively charged proteins in a region called nucleoid. Nucleoid is nucleus of prokaryote. The DNA is nucleoid is organized in large loops held by proteins. In eukaryotes, there is a set of positively charged basic proteins called histones. Histones are rich in two basic positively charged amino acids, lysines and arginines. Histones are organized to form a unit of 8 molecules called histone octamer. Each histone octamer has H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 each into 2 molecules, that is 8 molecules of histone octamer. Now nucleosome. Negatively charged DNA is wrapped around positively charged histone octamer to form nucleosome. A typical nucleosome contains 200 base pair of DNA helix. Nucleosome constitute repeating unit of structure in nucleus called chromatin. Chromatin is thread-like strand or colored body inside nucleus. The nucleosome in chromatin are seen as beads on string under electron microscope. Beads on string is packaged to form chromatin fibers. These are further coiled and condensed at metaphase stage of cell division to form chromosomes. So chromosome word is used from metaphase stage of cell division. Non-histone chromosomal proteins. These are additional set of proteins required for packaging of chromatin at higher level. Second topic is phosphorus cycle from chapter 14, that is ecosystem. Phosphorus is a major constituent of biological membranes, nucleic acids, cellular energy transfer systems. Phosphorus is also needed by many animals in large quantities to make shells, bones and teeth. Its natural reservoir is in rock and natural phosphate deposits in which it is present as phosphates. When rocks are weathered, its minute amount is dissolved in soil solution by chemicals secreted by microorganisms and plant roots. Phosphorus occurs in soil solution mainly as orthophosphate. The dissolved phosphate is absorbed by roots of plants and incorporate it into organic compounds. Herbivores and other animals that constitute consumers, they obtain this element from plants along with food chain. The waste products and dead organisms as well as litter fall, that is fallen plant parts, together constitute detritus. Detritus is raw material for decomposition. Detritus is decomposed by phosphate-solubilising bacteria by converting organic phosphorus into phosphate ions and return them into nutrient pool. Absorption of phosphorus by higher plants is promoted by the presence of mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is symbiotic association between fungus and root of higher plants. Most common genus of fungus in mycorrhiza is glomus and most common higher plants are orchid, pinus, etc. Difference between carbon and phosphorus cycle. First, atmospheric inputs of phosphorus through rainfall are much smaller than carbon inputs. Second, gaseous exchange of phosphorus between organisms and environment are negligible. And third, main reservoir of phosphorus is rock and natural phosphate deposits, whereas for carbon, main reservoir exists in atmosphere. Thanks for watching such video. I hope this would boost your knowledge. Thanks.